This is the Southeast Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Thursday, January 10th, 2019. Well, we have a weak system that's going to be moving through the region today, and this is looking at the simulated radar for where we think we could see some light precipitation early this morning. We are going to be seeing a mixture of precipitation types, especially early this morning. Some light rain is possible in portions of the Magic Valley, possibly a little bit of light freezing rain down on the I-84 corridor, possibly as far north as Pocatello for a short time this morning, and then probably area of snow from Pocatello northwards. As we advance the radar to about 9 a.m., we expect most of the precipitation in the Burley region to be coming to an end. There may still be a little bit of some light stuff that's going on in near Burley or perhaps just south of there. Bulk of the precipitation should be starting to move east, and by noontime, you see here most of the precipitation should be moving off into the southeast highlands, generally east of I-15 and south of I-86. And then by 3 p.m., most of the precipitation will be mainly into extreme southeast Idaho, and by 6 p.m., most of the precipitation will be starting to diminish by this point very quickly this evening. Now, as we look at the overnight hours here, I'm not going to show you the radar, but as we go into the overnight hours, we actually could see a little bit of patchy freezing drizzle develop tonight, so just be aware of that. We still could have some slick conditions around for tonight going into Friday morning. This is looking at our snowfall forecast for today, and generally could see up to a couple inches, possibly around Pocatello, Blackfoot, Idaho Falls, and over towards Driggs. And then for your high temperatures forecast for today, we're looking at highs generally in the 30s for most of the locations. And our low temperatures going into tomorrow morning should be below freezing everywhere. And then our high temperatures on Friday should be generally in the upper 20s and low 30s. And then our low temperatures going into Saturday morning, much colder, back in the teens for many locations for lows. And then our high temperatures going into Saturday, generally, once again, will be in the low to mid 30s. Looking at dry weather going into the weekend with our next storm, probably not affecting us until about Tuesday of next week. So that concludes the briefing. If you have any questions or comments, please pass them along. Thank you.